All right. And I've got someone else from the AG's office joining us, but we're going ahead without her. She's here for my next case. All right. Today's date is August 10th, 2022. In Childress County, Texas, I call cause number 11337 in the interest of Alexis Kylie Anna Leos. What says the state?
The state's ready.
Present by audio and video is Kayla Martinez. Are you ready to proceed, Ms. Martinez?
Yes, ma'am.
Also present by audio and video is Albert Leos. Are you ready, Mr. Leos?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Ms. Ware, if you'd announce the agreement, please.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm going to announce the agreement, and then I would like to just ask Ms. Martinez a few questions about a prior protective order and things like that.
Okay.
I believe the agreement is that Mr. Leos has a duty to support the child based on the acknowledgement of paternity that he signed it that is on file with the Bureau of Vital Statistics. The parties are to be appointed joint managing conservators, with Ms. Martinez having the right to determine the child's primary residence, and that the standard possession order shall be entered for people living more than 100 miles apart. The parties have agreed so far on visitation, and Mr. Leos picks up the child on his 4 days off and then returns the child after that. And the order also shall state, and the parties have been informed, that visitation is mutually agreed upon. And if they mutually agree, they can just keep doing that, and that the standard possession is just a fallback in case there's no agreement.
Super.
Mr. Leos has health insurance and dental insurance available for the child at a reasonable cost, and he's currently providing that, and agrees that he should be ordered to continue to provide health and dental insurance for the child through his employer. Just for the court's information, the monthly cost for the health insurance is $262.60, and for the dental insurance, it's $27.08. Mr. Leos makes a monthly gross income of $3,761.50. He does have one other minor child that is living with him. Based on the cost of the health and dental and one other child, an adjusted net income of $2,879.32. Child support will be set at $504 a month to begin the 1st of September of 2022. Ms. Leos is not requesting any retroactive child support, so there shall be a retroactive support judgment in the order for health, dental, and child support retroactive judgments. The state is not seeking any court costs or attorney's fees. And after discussion with Ms. Martinez, she is not requesting a non-disclosure finding in the order, but I would like to get some testimony about that, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Martinez, would you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give should be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Go ahead, Ms. Ware.
And would you please state your name?
Kayla Martinez.
Okay, and you are the mother of the child in this case, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And you previously had a protective order against the father, Albert Leos?
Yes, ma'am.
But that protective order has expired, is that correct?
Yes.
And when did it expire?
I believe March 17th.
Of 2022?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And Mr. Leos has come to your house and picked up the child and returned the child, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And I've discussed a family violence non-disclosure finding with you, and you don't have any concerns about your current address and phone number and other information being in the court order, nor do you have a concern about the requirement to inform Mr. Leos of any future addresses if you move. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So at this time, you don't have any family violence concerns, and you're not requesting a non-disclosure finding from the court. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you understand that your address and phone number and other information will be in the current court order, which Mr. Leos will get a copy of, and you will be required, if you move, to inform him of your new address. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The state has no further questions, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Leos, you're under the same obligation to keep Ms. Martinez informed of your address and phone number in case there's an emergency with Alexis. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Let me ask you, Ms. Martinez, is that in fact the agreement you're making today?
Yes.
And you think it's good in the best interest of your daughter, Alexis?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Leos, is that what you're agreeing to today?
Yes, ma'am.
And you also think it's in the best interest of your daughter, Alexis?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Then I'm approving the agreement made by the parties. I'm waiving court costs in this matter since you were able to reach an agreement. I'm not ordering any non-disclosure or anything like that. And Ms. Ware's going to prepare that order for my signature and I'll sign off on it. You do have some unique rights, right? From today, you have 3 business days during which you could request a new hearing. If you do, you get a new hearing in front of Judge Messer and he'd start over and make his own decision. But if nobody does that, this order starts to become final and you should get a copy either by email or by regular mail within the next 2 weeks. Don't get one, call the Wichita Falls AG's office and just remind them to send you one, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you both for your appearance today and for your hard work and for doing everything really for Alexis' best interest. I really appreciate it. Good luck to you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.